My video guide will help you to get rid of the ransomware called ZXC. So this ZXC is a new ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ZXC ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that they just cannot use their data anymore. The files are damaged and actually encrypted by this particular ransomware. Very soon after users restart their computers, they suddenly realize the damage that has been caused by this ZXC ransomware. The ransomware is called like that because it appends this ZXC additional extension to the file names. And of course, removing this extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware drops this ransom note called decryption guide. It basically tells the victims that they should pay a ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money for nothing. What we recommend you to do is immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other threats from the system. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will then, at the end of the scan, give you the summary of the threats which were found. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.